Yeah, so this is Bakau, Newtown Junction. So Bakau is like heading towards Banjo, in case you want to know. A lot of mechanic shops and houses. Yeah. I can't give you much commentary, but it's Africa, but it's nice. So the commentary is at the minimum. Yeah, the electric bike. Papa, the electric bike. So we're going towards the stadium is up this way. Hello? Ah! I didn't recognize it. Yeah, back on the journey. Yeah. Hey, don't try to kill me. Hello? Ah? Yes, yes. Yeah. What commentary do you want from me? Oh, the stadium is here. Oh, the stadium is over there. You know, this area is no different from how Yankee Stadium used to be. I'm not sure if Yankee Stadium is still the same, but yeah. Let's see the food lady. The food lady. How are you doing?
This is the one.
Of course I am the one. Well, am I?
The one.
Well, am I the bad one?
I didn't say the bad one. I didn't mean any bad one. I said that I'm the one. Long time I didn't see you.
Yeah.
How are you?
It's all right.
How are you doing?
I'm just skating about. Eh?
You're making skate
Yeah.
on the highway?
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
can do that.
You can do it too.
Me?
Yeah.
No. I cannot.
So what's good for the body today?
I have rice. When I have rice and this thing. What is the name again?
I don't know. You
Beans.
tell me.
Beans, sausage, chicken, and what? Steamed fish.
You're asking me. She's asking me.
Chicken and steamed fish.
So now you know when you come to Bakau. This is Bakau, right?
Yes.
Yeah, when you come to Bakau, outside of the stadium, you can come and speak to. You go by 10 different names. Which name you want me to give her?
Ayo.
Ayo.
That's
You, you come to Madam Ayo, and she sells you all of your lunch and everything that you need to eat.
Including Ebe.
Including Ebe. Yeah, that's Ebe.
Ebe and chakri.
Ebe and what?
Chakri, Wonjo.
Chakri. Ah.
Wonjo, power juice.
Okay, okay.
Power juice and everything. Yeah. One is here.
Which one?
Call Ayo.
Wrong address. Wrong address. She's not here. No. She's gone. She's gone.
Valentine, what should I make today?
What do you have today now?
Are you eating rice or chicken? Which one?
What type of rice do you have?
Huh? White rice.
White with what?
Yeah, with stew.
With stew.
Yeah.
Okay, give me.
Let me give you rice.
Ah.
You, what do you want? What do you want to take?
Because I'm skating.
Skating, you're not going to eat? No.
Yeah, when I am.
I want
When I get into my van. Oh, I know what I want. Wait, come.
You know what you want?
Yeah. She's paying for it. She's paying for it, yeah. So she's gonna pay for my food. Thank you very much. Ah.
This one.
No. Hey.
This one is stranded.
She's.
I can't pay you.
I'm stranded too. I thought I could have gotten a free meal.
Yasin will pay for you.
Huh?
I said that Yasin will pay for you.
Ah, yeah, but no.
Yasin will pay the.
No, we're not on good terms.
Why?
I don't know.
You know. You
I don't
must
know. Yeah. Sorry?
I said that you must know.
No, I don't know.
No. Don't tell me that I don't know. Why are you not in good time with Yasin and Oli? What about Oli?
No problem with Oli.
No problem with Oli.
No.
But problem with Yasin.
No, it's not a problem.
Why do you say that you are not in good time with her?
Yeah. It's just how it is. It's just how it is.
Okay.
Yeah.
No. It must be something.
No.
No. It must be something. It must
Yeah.
be something.
What drink do you have there?
I have ginger.
Ah, let me try a ginger.
It is inside the big bottle.
Yeah. Hey, am I doing something wrong? Ah. What? I just hit the big bottle?
Yeah.
How much is it?
That's big bottle. It's just $15. Let me see, full one or half one. This one $15.
15?
Yeah.
1.5.
But for you, 150. For you, 150.
Hey, this.
Yeah. It's for you, 150.
You see? This is 150.
Yes, you said that you are not in good town with my daughter. That's why I'm telling you.
Ah.
150.
No. You see, I thought she was nice to me. No, I'm telling the world that I thought you were nice to me.
Yeah, but you are not nice to my daughter.
I am nice to her.
No. You said that you are not.
No, she's just, yeah. Where you from, sir?
From West Africa International School.
West African where?
International School.
Ah. Okay, what subject do you teach?
Huh?
What subject do you teach there?
I teach English.
English. Wicked. No, what country are you from of origin?
I'm from Nigeria.
Ah, that's good. I'm going there soon.
Also Nigeria.
Yeah.
Which part?
I don't know.
Okay.
It's just
But it may sound crazy to you, right? But what happened? I drove from England to here, so I'm driving around Africa. So
Drive from England to here?
yeah,
It's possible.
it's possible. Yes.
I don't know it. I do not know.
Okay.
It's possible you can.
Okay. You see, you're a teacher, right?
Yeah.
Everybody has a smartphone.
Yeah.
So I challenge everyone with a smartphone. Oh yes, thank you. Yeah, she's paying for me. Thank you. Finally, a good African girl. Don't give her my money. That's not fair.
Lime, I'm coming.
Oh, let me turn this.